Basically, the temperature is 22, central London. It's a bit hot today, and some sort of a parade is going on here. Let's see. We'll take you around to explore as much as I can do. I'll explore this whole place. Yeah. Bus is here. It's a tourist bus. Cost you, I think, 10 to 20 quid. I think one of them. I'm not sure 100%, but never been on this bus before. And I'm trying now. Let's have a look how much they cost. It goes all the way to take you around London. So